Water is life. We hear this expression in many different contexts. Here in South Africa, we hear it in the context of drought, dams that are drying out, in the context of AIDS and health risks. Did you know that the currency of Botswana is called pula, which means rain? That tells us about the importance of water in the Southern African context. South Africa is a semi-arid country, and so the obsession with water is not surprising. What is surprising is that many people don't know that they live close to a river or a tributary of a river. This map of South African rivers that I made 2 years ago was shared hundreds of times on social media. Maps are something that we all grow up with and think of as a flat and boring set of lines on a piece of paper, possibly of use for sailors when they were out on the sea or for nations to define their boundaries. But the response to this map was overwhelming. So what was it about this one that made a difference? A colleague and I started a survey, and what we learned is that people were amazed to see how many rivers there are across South Africa and where they are located, and how the colors and information in the map made it easier and interesting to connect to the map. Finally, let me take you on a journey down the Blokrans River that I live close to. The river is barely visible in the beginning as it originates in the hills, moving in and around the land, passes through the town of Makanda or Grahamstown. Slowly it gathers speed as it leaves the town and passes through some agricultural areas. Further down, it joins the Kawi River, rushing and slowing as the land drops and stabilizes. Joining with other little tributaries, the water gathers energy as it flows downstream. And slowly, the river snakes its way down to the sea. So I end this video with a note that next time you're in the veld, slow down and look for the little rivulets of water running on the land and see where it leads you. Maybe to a river that rejuvenates the land and sustains life and inspires artists and poets, and hopefully you to learn more about it and to be a guardian of the river.